Okay. This is Scratch, but I've changed the language to kanji. Now I'm gonna Google Translate it into English. Let's see what that does. Movement, appearance, sound, event, control, investigate, calculation, variable, block definition, investigate. Most of those are normal except for investigate. Right. I have to translate this to English now. Face sensing is still normal, but we also have music. I play musical instruments, including drums. I play musical instruments. Draw pictures with sprites. Okay, that's pretty normal. Video motion sensor. The camera detects movement. That one's also normal. That one didn't translate. Speech synthesis. Let's create a project that involves speaking. It's like engaging you. Let's create a project that involves speaking. What you need: Wi-Fi, cooperation, Amazon, AWS, translation, translate text into various languages, cooperation with Google, makey. I'll try turn anything into a keyboard. Okay, microbit, connecting projects to the real world. Go direct force and acceleration. It detects pushing force, pulling force, movement, and rotation. Lego Mindstorms used it to create and interact with robots, etc. I like how it's just etc. Lego Boost. Let's bring robot creations to life. Lego Education Wido 2.0. It is made using a motor and sensors. That's kind of normal. Return. What's the thing called? Choose an extension. So it's still choose an extension. None of these blocks translate for some reason. I'm not sure why, but these do translate. All the drop down menus translate. I know that. Somewhere, mouse pointer. I think this is like the go-to block, and it's just somewhere, mouse pointer. I have it set to kanji. I'll maybe do another video on if I have it on katakana or whatever language they suggest me doing. One of these languages, but I'm just going to, mouse pointer, somewhere, mouse pointer, foreground, backmost, color fish islands, spiral, pixelization, mosaic, brightness, and ghost. Space, upward arrow, downward arrow, right pointing arrow, leftward arrow. Why are all of these like different grammar? Right pointing, but all of them are ward, upward, downward, right pointing, not rightward. What, leftward? I don't even think that's a word. Enter. One of. Do any of these translate? I don't think so. I'm not sure if any of those even translated. When volume timer. What? New message. Let's create a new message. New message name. Okay. I can read these ones if I want to. I'll do these like later. Read a bud. All of them are called read a bud. All of them have like the same description. Decomposition. This process is called decomposition. Why are all of them end like that? Is this just like Scratch being lazy? Also, both of these are like the exact same. All of them, none of them make sense. Why are they all called read a bud? What's read a bud mean? Let's try tutorials. Hold on. Okay, let's begin. Let's get started. Let's get started with Scratch. How to add a sprite. Okay, let's get started with that one. Let's get started with Scratch. It probably says American Sign Language. How to add a sprite. How to add a background. How to add movements to sprites. How to use the arrow keys. How to change the size. I think I remember that said how to use the hack key in a previous one. And this one said Oto no Roku on ho ho. Uh, how to change the size, how to make it move smoothly, how to rotate text. Why just text? How to rotate text, how to hire a show. Intermediate level, how to add effects. Let's make the characters fly. Of course, let's make the characters fly. Let's make music. Video motion sensor, face sensing, chatting. Let's try moving the name. This is prompt, by the way. Let's move the character. Let's create a story. Let's make a talking anime. Why is it specifically an anime? Probably because it's Japanese. Let's imagine the world. Let's imagine the world. Ping pong game. Let's make a clicker game. Let's make a tracking game. Let's code an anime movie. Again, anime adventure game. All the Cartoon Network ones are so broken. And all animation, art, music, game, story, return. Does this happen with like sounds? I'm gonna go into the sound browser, the costume browser. All of these are just gonna be the same, but all animal, people, fantasy, dance, music, sports, food, fashion, character, fashion. Why just specifically fashion? So add a backdrop if we want. Under the sea pattern, universe, indoor, outdoor sports, outdoor, indoor, under the sea, not underwater. Oh, there's so many interesting things to look at. Actually, you know what? I want to read what some of these are. I want to read everything except for the echo one. Fast, late, late, late. Not slow, late. Large, small. Like, it does kind of make the sound larger and smaller. Mute, fade in, fade out, reverse robot. All those are the same. Let's get a sound real quick. Here's a sound. Percussion instruments. Why is that so long? Strange sound. Why are all these? Alright, you know what? I want to read something, like maybe the about page. I don't think you can read the about page anymore. Slash about maybe. I think that's what it is. I don't think the about page even exists anymore. Yeah, let's check out the ideas page instead. Translate it to English. Alright. Are you looking for project ideas? Try mixing it with your idea generator. The possibilities are endless. I think most of these are just the exact same. The Scratch membership is now here. I've never read this page before. But I'm gonna just read it. I've never read the original English page, but I'm gonna just read it in Japanese. Participate. Scratch supporters help create inspiring, creative, and memorable learning experience for children around the world. Alright, Scratch membership. Support Scratch and these seem pretty normal. Over 150 million Scratchers have shared over 1 billion projects. What? I don't think that's even what it's supposed to say. It probably is. Why is all that? Alright. Well, yeah, it is. Alright, bye.